Hello and welcome to Run One Records Design. Today we show you concrete bathroom ideas. Stunning concrete bathroom ideas. Design trends for modern and industrial spaces. Concrete often calls to mind cold factories or rough sidewalks. But in bathrooms, it brings a surprising warmth and style that fits today's homes. You get tough surfaces that resist wear, clean up easy, and last for years without much fuss. Understanding concrete finishes and applications. Concrete shines in bathrooms because it molds to your vision. You can pick finishes that match your taste, from sleek to rugged. Let's break down the main types and how they work. Polished vs troweled vs board formed concrete. Polished concrete gleams with a smooth, shiny surface like a fresh marble floor. It reflects light well, making small bathrooms feel bigger and brighter. Use it on floors or counters where you want that clean height and look. Troweled concrete stays matte with a light texture, like soft sand underfoot. It hides dirt better than hand-polished versions and suits everyday use. Try it for walls in family bathrooms to add subtle grip without glare. Board-formed concrete imprints wood grain patterns for a bold, tactile feel. The rough lines create shadows that add drama to plain spaces. It's perfect for accent walls behind taps, where the texture draws the eye. Each finish changes the room's mood. Polished suits sleek setups, troweled fits cozy spots, and board-formed amps up rustic charm. Floor and wall treatments, creating a seamless look. Seamless surfaces tie a bathroom together, cutting out grout lines that trap grime. Concrete delivers that flow while standing up to splashes. Here is how to use it on floors and walls. Concrete flooring, seamless flow and radiant heat compatibility. Monolithic concrete floors all as one piece, skipping tiles altogether. No joints mean less dirt, build up, and modern sweep. It's ideal for open plan bathrooms where flow matters. Custom concrete vanity countertops. Form meets function. Cast your countertop to fit odd angles or built-in sinks. Integral basins save space and look custom. Edge options range from sharp to rounded, suiting any style. Integrated elements, benches and shelving. Built-in shower benches from concrete offer wet-proof seating. No slip, just solid support. Floating shelves span walls, holding towels without clutter. They streamline storage in small baths. Curved edges for safety. In big showers, a bench becomes a soak spot. Thanks for watching. If you liked these concrete bathroom ideas, please share with your friends and subscribe. You've been watching the Design and Decor channel, Runman Records Design.